What's good, y'all? Today we're going to be installing this tactical recover stabilizing brace on this Glock 31 357 Gen 3. It is clear. As you can see, the magazines are to my right. Gun is already unloaded. I'll go ahead and put those charging handle, high profile charging handle on the back. Make sure you hold that in there. See that nicely in there. Screw that in. Go ahead, flip it to the other side. Toss that top one in there. It is nice and easy too. It's just these gloves. Hold that in there. We'll go ahead and take that brace. Seat that nicely in there. Drop in that big one, that big pin. Slide that in there. Just like that. We'll go ahead and add that one in there. Lock that back. Just to show you. Just like that. Pop it out. Boom, there we go. Recover tactical stabilizing kit for the Glock 2020N, as you can see.